So it was a tied game going into the ninth inning, 8-8. The Dodgers took the lead, and they're going to pinch hit Kike Hernandez, and he's on deck. And there's a group of guys that have been right here. They've been just shit talking and trash talking every on deck batter. Here's some of the things they said to Hernandez. You can hear him here.
My grandmother's bigger than you.
So, just fun stuff. So Kike comes up. He's got 2 on. It's a 1-run game. Works the count to 2-2. Then he's going to see this pitch right here and say, yeah, but can your grandma do that? Bam. 3-run shot. Breaks the game open. Rounds the bases. And he's got them on his mind. He's like, you know what? Muncie with his little elf ears. I'll blow him some kisses. And he just made these guys' day. It was us, Kike. It was us. We were the ones that said those things. Ha ha ha. It was us. Yeah, I know it was you. I fucking hate you. Yeah, it was us. Okay, go away, please leave.